If you are in advertising, packaging, or short-run printing, you know these pain points. Fragmented orders, constant material changes, and poor registration accuracy. Worse yet, most equipment starts to lose precision after just 2 or 3 years, leading to skyrocketing maintenance costs. The IECHO AK4 changes everything. The AK4 is a flagship product born from the IECHO acquisition of the century-old German brand Aristo. We have deeply integrated Aristo technology with IECHO smart control systems. Our goal was simple: to build a machine that isn't just fast, but remains stable for a decade. How does the AK4 solve your core problems? Stop wasting time on material setup. The AK4 features a built-in multi-material database. Whether it's a cardboard, corrugated paper, or adhesive vinyl, the system automatically matches the optimal speed, blade pressure, and path. No trial and error, just input your fire and cut. Drift-free accuracy. Cheap machines use bolted frames that deform over time. The AK4 features an industrial-grade one-piece welded steel body with a multi-point stress distribution design to physically eliminate deformation. We've even added a thermal expansion compensation mechanism to ensure a stable accuracy of around 0.1 mm regardless of the temperature. High-speed stability. We optimize the center of gravity for the cutting head. Even the maximum velocity, it remains solid, no shaking, no offset, and no miscuts. What does this mean for your business? Handling urgent orders with confidence, reducing material waste, minimizing reject rates and maintenance costs. The AK4 is an all-in-one powerhouse, handling full cut, kiss cut, creasing, and marking in one go. If you are tired of replacing equipment every 3 years, let the AK4 be your last cutting machine.